This is a graph recording the fermentation process. When the line descends like this at a pretty steady pace, it means everything's going great. When the line begins to taper off, when there's still a lot of residual sugar left in the juice, then you might have a problem. It means the yeasts are dying. This is a quick little video on the decision making that might happen when this issue occurs. Francesco and Johnny have noted that the fermentation has slowed down on Johnny's rosé. They figured this out, of course, by taking the babbo, which measures the sugar in the juice. They were a bit high. You can see that it's still active, it's just not active enough. The temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, which at this stage is a little too cool for a spontaneously fermented juice. Francesco is smelling the lees to make sure they don't stink. He even tasted them. Stinky lees are a sign of reduction, and you can see here actually kind of take on that dirty color. In that scenario, you'd aerate the wine, like this video is showing. Johnny's lees were clean, so the next thought was, maybe it had something to do with maceration time. In addition to sugar, yeasts actually need nitrogen in order to thrive. They get a good hit of nitrogen for maceration, which means letting the skins soak with the juice. Johnny is comparing last year's nose with Francesco, because they had the same issue. Francesco just told Johnny to take a look at the babbo on his rosé. It's still in pretty active fermentation, so they can use it and give Johnny's rosé a little hit of yeast action. These guys don't add anything to the wine, so selected yeast inoculation wasn't an option for them, nor was an added dose of nitrogen. They worked with what they got, which was Francesco's fermenting rosé.